Hi everyone, welcome to another quick 5-minute card tutorial on my YouTube channel. Today's card is going to be fairly easy and uses very few products. As always with all my videos, all the products that I use will be linked below in the video description for you all in case you're interested in the supplies I have used. I start off with a vertical folding card base. This is by Craftangles, and then I'm using one of the stencils by Craftangles, which is XOXO. And then I'm using this Unicorn Dreams paste. This is a very shimmery paste. Unfortunately, the camera did not pick up all the shimmer, but in the close-ups you'll be able to see the shimmer that I'm talking about. So what I'm trying to cover is I'm trying to cover the center part of the card with this texture paste, and you can see how beautifully the texture has come off. And now what I do is I wet my card base with some water, and then on top of it I am using some liquid watercolors. So this is the color Soulmate by Craftangles. It's a very beautiful and vibrant red, and then I'm just spreading that with the help of my watercolor brush. Now I'll continue spreading till I'm happy with how the organic the organic shape that has come off. So I just do that, and then I'll be using some element pack by Craftangles. So my whole idea was that since it's a wedding card, I wanted to create a very basic, shimmery and colorful card. Now here I am using these all cutouts which I have already fussy cut from Craftangles Wedding Bells Element Pack. Again, link to all the products that I am talking about will be in the description below. And then just to add some extra oomph to my card, what I'm doing is I'm using some blue double-sided foam tape, and I'm adding that on top of all the elements to add extra dimension on my card. And that's it. Now what is left is just peeling off those tape and sticking those elements to create the focal point of my card. And that is how easy it was to make this particular card. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. It was a very simple card which any beginner can follow. And if you like, do mention what you would like to see next, and I would really be interested in making a few tutorials on the same. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then guys, take care. Bye bye.